Hi, I'm Gino and welcome to Simply Elegant. I am super excited to show you guys a simple recipe for my Rice Krispies made out of Cheetos. And wait, I know you may be thinking, well Gino, that's a really weird recipe. Why would you want to show us that? It's because I plan on giving these to my friends and coworkers and seeing what their reactions are. I will be showing you guys how to make two types of Cheetos Rice Krispies. First, starting with the FLAMIN Hot. You will need 9 ounces or a big bag of the FLAMIN Hot Cheetos, half a bag or 5 ounces of miniature marshmallows, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. For the regular Cheetos, you will need 9 ounces or a big bag of regular Cheetos, half a bag or 5 ounces of mini marshmallows, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. The step is to add some of your Cheetos into a bag so we can just briefly crunch it up. You don't want to make it into fine crumbs, you just want to break it up a little bit so it's smaller pieces. You want most of the pieces to be about this size or a little bit smaller. The first step is to add your butter into a pot. Butter is melted, add your marshmallows and just stir until completely melted. Last but not least, just add your Cheetos into the marshmallow mixture. Just give it all a mix until all of the Cheetos are covered in your marshmallow mixture. Now just add all of your Cheetos into a small 9x9 pan, and then using your spatula, just spread it out until it's nice and flat. Set these aside to cool for a few minutes while we work on our next batch. Into the same pot, just add your butter and bring it to a melt. Your butter is melted, add in your mini marshmallows. You caught me red-handed. Once again, just mix everything through until all of your FLAMIN Hot Cheetos are covered with marshmallow. Once again, just flatten that out. I'm gonna pop these into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are nice and chilled. So now let's cut into them. So I'm just gonna cut this in half. And now for the taste test. Actually, these are not that bad at all. It has a little bit of a sweet side because of the marshmallows, and then obviously the heat from the hot Cheetos. These aren't too bad. Anyways, let's go give some to my friends.
Oh my god.
What?
This is not a normal Rice Krispie treat. This is hot.
I'm really excited to try these. Cheers. They're not bad.
It's good.
I like spicy.
It's a weird combination, but it's yummy. Are you taking me? This is really good. It doesn't taste spicy. I like it.
What kind of bite is that?
Are you ready?
Bite.
The spiciness come at the end.
They hot?
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't.
She's trying not to spit it out. Water.
I wind up going home. Water makes it worse.
Mouth
Look at
like
it, she turned red. Look at that cheek.
Like that's gonna
I'm
cool
like, yeah,
it. Is
it's
that gonna cool
I need
it?
some milk. I need
Really,
some milk.
really caring, like for real.
Good.
Not too spicy?
No, I like spicy stuff.
It's good.
You don't feel a kick or anything?
It's like it's spicy, but like
No?
I'm
So
not
would you-
used to spicy stuff.
Would you recommend this to other people to try?
Yeah,
Yeah.
if they like spicy stuff, yeah.
Gina, stop.
It's good. I like it. These are good. These are good.
Minutes ago.
Is she in one away?
No.
Oh, wait. You ain't done yet. Just wait, baby.
I'm waiting. It's really good.
Quite shockingly, a lot of the people enjoyed them. People said they were really good. It was a good balance of sweet and spicy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this recipe a try. And also let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this because I have a lot of ideas in mind. Comment down below if you have any other suggestions or ideas for challenges and recipes like this. And I will see you on the next one.